What's the meaning of chrome steel? Chrome steel. Chrome steel.
Chrome steel. Chrome steel. Chrome steel is a type of alloy steel that is made with chromium and usually contains between 1% and 1.5% carbon. The addition of chromium makes the steel more resistant to rust and staining, as well as more durable and hard. Chrome steel is commonly used in applications that require high strength and corrosion resistance, such as ball bearings, cutting tools, and automotive parts. Due to its properties, chrome steel has a wide range of industrial and commercial uses and is highly valued for its strength, corrosion resistance, and longevity.